Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear the cache memory on iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. One of the easiest ways to clean the cache memory, and the one related to the operating system, is to reset the phone. So go Settings and go to General. Here go to iPhone Storage, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see how much space is used for system data. This number will decrease when you reset the phone because it will clear all unnecessary things related to the system. The next thing you can do is clear your history on Safari or any other browser you use. I'm using Safari, so we'll find it in the Applications section and open it. Here we can see many different options, but we need to clear history and website data option. Select the range for which you want to clear the history and tap the Clear History button. The next thing that is very useful is to offload unused apps. We will return to the initial settings screen, and there we will tap on the App Store section. In the options, we will find the one called Offload Unused Apps. When we activate this option, the applications that are at the bottom of the usage list will be all floated, which means that they will be deleted, but all data will be saved. And that's all. In some of these ways, you can additionally save space on your iOS 18 device. So that's basically how you can clear the cache memory on iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.